The volatility of this cryptocurrency market is making a lot of people nervous. And it's already showing up in the Fear and Greed Index. Guys, you can see we're sitting at a level of 43 Fear right now. It is down from the level of, I believe, 76 Extreme Greed that we saw for one single day, as Bitcoin was hitting an all-time high at $111,000. Well, you know what? We're not that far back down. Bitcoin's down, what, like 8% from those levels, if that? But the fear is already striking investors. Now, to me, this leads to a perfect opportunity. We have got catalyst after catalyst that is positive on the horizon, yet investors are panicking. Well, I'm taking advantage of it. I'm going out there, I am buying. Yes, I own Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, BNB, Solana, Tron, and more. But I am also buying a brand new token called Snorter. We're going to jump into this. We're going to talk about it. We're going to talk about what is Snorter Token and everything you need to know about this new crypto trading bot. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. Now we're just going to jump right into this article here. We're going to talk about Snorter. Obviously, the artwork is very memeable. It could go viral. People love it, and so on. But moving on from that, the coin is Snorter. Token, the ticker symbol is Snort. Contract address is available on Ethereum. Solana is coming soon. They've already raised $1+ million. As a matter of fact, it's sitting at $1.163 million right now. Launch date is that was the launch date for the ICO start was 2025. It's not going to launch in May of 2025. Current ROI, 2%. If you guys would have got in during the first round. 12,000 followers out on X, 260 on Telegram, and it has contract safety. It has been audited by both Solid Proof and CoinSalt. Now, a deeper dive into the fundamentals talks a little bit about where it came from. Is it legitimate? Okay, this is what they look at. It says you cannot mint new tokens, which is excellent. Cannot blacklist addresses, which is perfect. Cannot be a honeypot, and ownership is renounced. This is exactly what you need to see in a token. Now, when it comes to whether or not a token or a project is legitimate, I agree with this right here. All right. However, the credibility of any project depends on how well the team executes the roadmap and handles itself post-launch. Here's what we do know, and that only time is going to be able to tell how this team handles the launch and so on. The roadmap is clearly explained, and a full breakdown of the tokenomics is available. Now, I do want to say this, okay? If you guys are interested in buying, I've bought into Snorter Token. All you got to do is click that link in the description below and connect your wallet. I like to connect via Best Wallet, so if you guys need Best Wallet, you got a link for that down in the description as well. But after you connect, you simply type in how much you want, and those tokens are yours to claim on launch day. Now, I want to point this out, right? Because if you come in here and you look at some of these tweets, it is obvious. Maybe it's like not obvious. Maybe it should be obvious for me, right? I've talked a lot about these pre-sales. I've bought a lot of these pre-sales. But so many people have no idea what they are doing when it comes to these pre-sales. I don't understand why they don't just get their questions answered before jumping in. Now, it goes on to say some of these guys bought the token, but I don't see the tokens in my Phantom wallet. It's not available yet, right? This token has not launched yet. Hello, I bought it, but I did not receive the tokens on my Phantom wallet. It's not available yet, okay? That's what a lot of people don't understand when they go in to buy these pre-sales, is it's not going to immediately show up in your wallet until you claim. Now, I don't know exactly when the claim day is going to be. They're going to announce that the closer that it gets, but I do know it's probably, several weeks to a couple months away, depending on how fast they're able to raise. Obviously, if it goes on and each stage of the pre-sale lasts 2 days and it does not sell out early, it could be several weeks to a few months before we see Snorter Token claim day come on. This timer right here. A lot of people still don't understand what this timer means. This timer of 1 day and 20 hours does not mean that the token is going to be live in 1 day in 20 hours. This timer means that's when the next price increase takes place. Currently priced at 9.59 cents, it is going to increase in price in 1 day in 20 hours. And then from there, it's going to do it again And yes, the timer is going to reset. This guy right here, delayed 2 days, and then they go on to the counter keeps renewing itself, right? These people don't understand that this is not the counter to launch day. This is the counter until the price increases and the next stage of the pre-sale begins. And I just want to make that stuff very clear, because we have talked about this. A lot of you guys, you're probably like, yeah, ClayBro, calm down, man. You're preaching to the choir here. We know all this stuff already. And I get it, right? These pre-sale videos, they get less views. You guys are the dedicated. You're the ones that are taking chances in cryptocurrency, truly believing that we can see some fantastic gains in this upcoming bull market with brand new tokens. That's why I participate, right? I believe that some of the largest gainers out there have to be the lower market cap coins. They're the ones that can go up 10, 20, 30, 50x in value and still maintain a normal market cap. All right, we can't expect Bitcoin to just immediately 50x overnight and sit on some sort of a $quadrillion market cap. But we can expect meme coins to go from, you know, $1 million market cap to a $50 million market cap. That stuff is plausible. It can actually happen. And therefore, you know, the smaller the token is, the higher risk, but the higher reward it is as well. Now, you guys can scroll through the rest of their website, see everything that they're building, watch some of the other videos. It is the cheapest and going to be one of the fastest trading bots on the Solana network. And hopefully, not only can you make money with the token, hopefully you're going to be able to make a lot of money trading with the trading bot as well. So let me know what you guys think all about it down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.